Welcome to the channel for true treasure hunters, the Diggin' Dave, where we dive deep into the rarest copper in history. Today, we are looking at a coin that saved the reputation of the United States Mint during its very first year. Back in 1793, the new American government was struggling to make money that people would actually trust. Their first try was a penny with a chain on the back, but many people hated it. They felt the chain looked like a symbol of slavery instead of a symbol of unity. This huge public outcry forced the mint to change the design quickly, which led to the beautiful 1793 Wreath Cent. This coin represents the exact moment when American money finally found its true heart. It is the very first real penny ever made. The move from the chain cent to the Wreath Cent happened because the public was very angry. People in Philadelphia wrote bad things about the first coin, so the mint director had to act fast. He wanted a design that felt like a victory and not like a symbol of being trapped. The new result was a lovely back design with a circle of leaves known as a wreath. Even today, experts argue if those are laurel leaves or maybe even strawberry leaves. The message was very clear. America was a new nation that was growing and strong. This specific coin was only made for a few months in 1793. That makes it one of the shortest designs in our history. Finding one of these today, in any condition, is a total dream for any coin collector. It is a true piece of history. Now let's look at the front of the coin, because the portrait of Liberty is very unique. This is called the flowing hair design. It shows a young Lady Liberty with her hair blowing back, like she is running toward a free future. Some people back then thought she looked scared or even a little bit crazy, but today, collectors love this raw look because it shows the energy of a brand new country. Right below her, you can see a small sprig with 3 leaves. This is the main way to tell it is a Wreath Cent. The detail on these coins is much deeper than the flat pennies we use today. This high detail made the coins look great, but it also caused the metal stamps to break quite often during the work. This created many cool and rare die varieties for us to find. One of the most famous and expensive versions of this coin is the strawberry leaf variety. On this very rare type, the tiny leaves above the date look just like a strawberry plant. There are only 4 of these coins known to exist in the entire world today. Because they are so rare, they are considered the ultimate prize for any collector. Even if the coin is very worn out, a strawberry leaf penny can sell for nearly $1 million at an auction. This is the kind of treasure that keeps every person with a metal detector searching for hours. While the chances of finding one are very small, just knowing they exist keeps the hobby exciting. It is amazing to think a penny could be worth that much. It is the king of all the early American copper coins found today. If you are holding a 1793 Wreath Cent, you also need to look at the edge. Most of these early copper coins have a design of vines and bars on the side. This was done to stop people from shaving off pieces of copper to steal metal. Later on, the mint changed the edge to have actual words. It said that 100 of these coins made up $1. This was a simple way to tell people exactly what the coin was worth. These edge details are very important for proving the coin is real. Since the old mint used hand-operated machines, every single coin came out a little bit different. Each one has its own look and feel. No 2 1793 pennies are ever exactly the same, which makes them special. Every coin tells a unique story of our early American metal workers. The number of these coins left today is very low, which is why the prices are so high. Only about 63,000 were ever made. Experts think that only about 2,000 have survived after 200 years. Most of the ones we find today are in very bad shape. They are often rusted or very smooth because they were used to buy things for a long time. Back in the late 1700s, these were big coins. They were about the size of a modern $50 and made of pure copper. Since copper changes color over time, finding one that still looks shiny is almost impossible. Most of the best ones are now a dark brown color. Collectors call this chocolate brown, and they will pay a lot for it. This beautiful patina is what makes an old copper coin look so very attractive. To see why this coin is a great investment, we have to look at the prices in the USA. Back in 1958, you could buy a decent Wreath Cent for about $75. By the year 1985, That same coin was worth around $3,000. Now in 2026, the price has exploded. Even a very worn-out coin starts at about $3,500. If you find one in better condition, the price can easily hit $12,000. The very best versions that look brand new can sell for over $300,000 today. This steady growth over the years shows that old American copper is a very safe place to put your money. It is a piece of history that continues to grow in value every day. Investing in these coins has always been a very smart move for the future. If you ever find an old, large copper coin in a box or while digging in the dirt, always check the date. If it says 1793 and has that wreath on the back, you have found something worth a fortune. The market for these early American coins is stronger than it has ever been. People are always hunting for a piece of our nation's beginning. Whether you are a professional or just like history, the story of the Wreath Cent is a great look at how America started. Thank you for coming along on this deep dive into our first real penny. It really makes you want to check your pocket change more often. I hope you enjoyed this history lesson today. I have more coin stories coming. Please make sure to look at the details. Please make sure to like and follow for more videos.